Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python Training series. In this session, as part of PyTest, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to pass options from the PyTest commands. So let's get started. So we generally run these PyTest commands from the PyCharm IDE's terminal. While running it, we generally provide PyTest and press enter. So all the tests inside the project will run. That is one thing. Or we can also say PyTest and give the name of the Python file in which the tests are available. So only the tests that are there in that Python file will run. These are the things that we have done so far. Along with this, can you pass some options? From this PyTest commands, can you pass some options, extra options? Let's say I would like to specify the browser on which the test should run. I would like to pass the browser name from the PyTest command. Till now, we have not seen that, but there is a possibility. Okay, we can pass that browser name as an option from the PyTest command, and we can decide on which browser the test should run. So how to do that practically, I'm going to cover not only browser name, anything that you want to pass an option as an option from this PyTest commands, you can pass. For that, we have to do some changes to the code. Okay, so we have to go to the conftest.py file and we have to do some modification there. We have to add some code there, because of which this kind of facility will be possible, where you can pass the option from the PyTest commands. Okay, like browser name, platform name, anything you can pass from the PyTest commands. So how to do that? For that, we have to create this method. Okay, in the conftest.py file, just create this PyTest add option. Okay, you see you are adding an option, extra option that you can pass from the PyTest commands. So how to do all this stuff, I'm going to cover in this session in a practical way. For that, I'll switch to this PyCharm IDE. And here are the 3 Python files we have, right, containing the individual test methods, like search has search tests, login has login test, register has register test that we have created in the previous session. Now let's go to the conftest.py file. Okay, a centralized location where we have these fixture methods and all. So in this particular conf test, I'll create one function that is def space PyTest underscore add option. This is the name of the method you have to create. Okay, give circular brackets, and here you have to pass this thing, that is parser. Okay, you have to pass parser here, parser. After doing that, go to the next line and write down parser dot add option. Like this, you have to write parser dot add option, circular bracket, in double quotes give. Let's say I would like to pass the browser. So you can pass any number of options. There is only one option. If you want to pass, let's say platform, let's say you want to pass an platform, let's say. Okay, so instead of along with the browser, you also want to pass the platform. These things can be passed from the PyTest commands now. Okay, the browser value you can pass, the platform value you can pass. Okay, I would like to remove this one. Only one option I would like to take for this session, that is browser. I would like to pass a browser name, and whatever the browser name I pass, on that browser only, in that browser only, the test should run. Okay, the PyTest should run the test only on that browser. For that, I'm adding an option as browser, which can be passed from the PyTest commands. Okay, so to pass this option from the PyTest commands, we have to create this function, and in that function, we have to add this option like hyphen browser. Fine. So for good, na? So parser.addoption, this option I have created. Now, how to collect this value of this particular option that I am passing from the PyTest? So that I will collect here in this fixture, that setup and tear down fixture. Here, by default, we are running only on the Chrome browser, but whatever the browser name I am going to pass from the PyTest commands, right, on that browser, I want to run the test. For that, here, I'll do one small changes to this particular fixture code. What I will do here is I'll write down, already request is there here. I'll say request dot config dot, okay, request dot config, I'll say. So what is the other thing? Request dot config dot get option. Here we are adding the option. Here we are adding the option, that is browser option. Here we are getting the option. Whatever the value that we are passing from the PyTest command, right? That option, that browser we are collecting here. Get option from this browser. Whatever that I'm passing as part of this browser from the PyTest, that I'm collecting here and storing into the browser here. Browser is equal to, okay, the value of the browser from the PyTest command that I'm collecting here and storing into the browser. Now this browser, based on this browser, I'll run the test. If browser equals Chrome, if I'm passing Chrome from the PyTest command, then I have to run this. I have to launch the Chrome browser. If browser value is passed as Firefox, then instead of launching the Chrome browser, I have to launch Firefox browser, right? Driver is equal to WebDriver dot Firefox. What if I am passing Edge browser from the PyTest command? If I am passing Edge value or option, in that case, we should launch Edge browser. Like this, we have to pass the launch the Edge browser. Whatever the browser name I am passing from the PyTest command, that browser only I am launching, and I will be running the tests. This is what is the thing so far. Any other stuff I have to do? That's it. Now let's run the PyTest. Okay, let's run the test with the help of PyTest. For that, let's go to the terminal, and here I will type PyTest. And I don't want to run all the tests. That will take a lot of time. Let me run only the test from the search.py file, which is under the test package. I'll say test slash test underscore search.py. So if I do this, this is not going to happen. I have to pass the browser name now. Okay, in the PyTest commands, I'll be able to pass the browser name. Already, here I created an option like ---- browser option that I'm going to provide here. ---- browser. Give space and give the value for this browser. Which browser? You can either specify Chrome or Firefox or Edge. You can write one more line of code, that is else. If any other browser is passed, apart from Chrome, Firefox, Edge, if you are passing any other stuff, it should simply print only this is not a valid browser name. Like this, I'll print it out and the test will fail. So I have to pass only Chrome, Firefox or Edge. If apart from this Chrome, Firefox, Edge, if I pass anything, this statement will be printed in the output and all the tests will fail. Here, after ---- browser, I'll give Chrome here. And when I press enter, the Chrome will go and fall into this. The Chrome will be collected here, request.config.getoption. From ---- browser, Chrome will be collected and stored here. And if it is matching Chrome, it will launch the Chrome browser. Now let's run this command. Using from the PyTest command, we are passing some options. You see, 3 tests are running from the search.py file, and they are running on which browser? Chrome browser. Because from the PyTest command, I was passing Chrome as a browser name. So we have customized this a bit. Okay. So now we can run on whatever the browser you want. Just I need to pass the browser name from the PyTest command while running the test. So third test is also running from the search.py file, the last test, and this is also running on Chrome browser itself. The last test completed. As you can see, 3 out of 3 tests got passed. Now what I want to do here is, this time, I would like to run this particular test on Firefox browser. So how to do that? So very easy. PyTest, under the test package, we have this test underscore search.py file having 3 tests related to such functionality that I have to run on which browser? I have to pass that browser name. Instead of Chrome, I'm passing Firefox this time. So the 3 tests in that search.py file will now run on Firefox browser, not on Chrome. This is advantage of passing options from the PyTest commands while running the tests. You see, the tests are running on Firefox browser now. Let all the 3 tests run on the Firefox browser. After that, I'll show you how to run the test on Edge browser by passing the Edge from the PyTest command. Second test is running. Now the last test will run on the Firefox browser. Done. All the 3 tests got run on Firefox browser this time because from the PyTest command, I have passed the browser option as Firefox. Now let's run the same test on Edge browser. For that, simple PyTest under the test package, test underscore search.py file. Paste ---- browser. I can pass this option as this time Edge. Press enter. Now the test will run on Edge browser. You see the tests are running on Edge browser now. One test completed. 2 more tests need to run on the Edge browser. Whatever the browser name you are passing from the PyTest command, on that browser only the tests are running. Not only browser here, you can take anything for instance, okay? Depending on your real-time situation. If not browser, you have to pass something, you can pass there, okay? If you want to pass some options from the command, PyTest commands, then this is the way. Go to the conftest.py file and say PyTest_addoption and register that option, right? All that is got run on the Edge browser. Now, if any other browser I'll give apart from the Chrome, Firefox, Edge, then no test will run. Rather, you will get a message saying, printed saying, this is not a valid browser name or something like that. Okay, PyTest test package test_ search.py file -- browser. Instead of passing Chrome, Firefox, Edge, I am passing Opera. Let's say this will not be taken into consideration, and you see all the tests got failed. This is not a valid browser name like that. Okay, it is only allowing you to pass either Chrome or Firefox or Edge according to this logic. This kind of behavior we can implement by passing the options from the PyTest command. This is only one advantage we got. There may be many other advantages we can take advantage of by passing different type of options from the PyTest commands. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.